Jaguar Downhole Tools was established in 2003 with the purpose of supplying the oil and gas industry with a series of high-performance and highly dependable built-for-purpose drilling motors.
What Jaguar brings to the table is a little bit more torque, and you can put a little bit more weight on bit. We feel like that we've created a more robust motor compared to most motors in the industry.
Jaguar has proven to be a major player in the onshore markets of the Gulf Coast, Permian Basin, and Rocky Mountains, with field and client records that attest to the mud motor's strength and reliability.
Mud motors of any kind on a conventional basis would probably average for this section of hole out from under surface in the neighborhood of 70 to 80 feet an hour. The Scan Liberty rig, using our Jaguar motor on this particular hole, we were able to average 141 feet an hour for the interval drilled.
I've had very good success with it. What I like about it, it handles the gallons per minute. It does not stall, and seem like I get where I'm going with it, and makes me look good.
If you look at the internal workings of our equipment versus a competitor's, you'll find that the internal workings are just twice as robust, especially in the driveline components. We've made a lot of redundant features in there to handle weight on bit applications.
Each motor is serialized when it's sent out to the customer, and each motor that comes back is torn down and inspected by wet magnetic particle inspection. We have a third-party inspection service that comes in and inspects all the major components of the motor.
Jaguar has a great team effort. We are collectively at least 100 and some odd years in the downhole business with what we have on staff. We have people in the field, and we have our engineering staff, and we have our own machine shop. We machine our own parts, but I think we've got a preponderance of intelligence and talent on our team that allows us to have a little bit of an edge.
We've standardized the Lightning motor to a length of 31 feet. With this length, the operator is able to rack the motor back with the rest of the drill string. The length of the Jaguar motor virtually eliminates the use of safety clamps during surface operations. Our top sub is a multifunctional component. It provides an API connection and an area to insert a float valve, eliminating the need for an extra sub in the BHA. The top sub also houses a unique metal-to-metal rotor catch assembly. In the event of a connection failure on the motor, the rotor catch offers the ability to retrieve the entire tool. Once the catch is engaged, Jaguar's unique design is revealed. Most rotor catches restrict the operator's ability to circulate. If the well takes a kick while tripping out of the hole, restricted circulation poses a serious safety hazard for our clients. Our design allows the operator to circulate even when the rotor's engaged. The allowable circulation will assist the operator during the ensuing trip. The Lightning bearing pack is a mud-lubricated assembly that utilizes a small percentage of the drilling fluid to lubricate and cool the bearing. In general, mud-lubricated assemblies offer more consistent and reliable performance for the bearing section than typical sealed bearing packs. The bearing pack consists of radial bearings that help centralize the rotation of the bearing mandrel and govern the fluid flow that is used to lubricate the bearing assembly. Balls and races carry the weight applied to the motor. The thrust stack functions in both on-bottom and off-bottom capacity. Lastly, there are Belleville springs within the bearing assembly to serve as a shock-absorbing component. This design helps to extend not only the life of the bit, but also the bearing assembly. The Lightning motor embodies proven designs reinforced to handle extreme drilling environments. The Lightning series provides safety catch features, a high-torque power section that offers power in reserve, and a bearing pack that can withstand the extremes of today's performance drilling. Jaguar has proven to increase ROP and shorten our clients' drilling programs.
We want to be a performance drilling partner for our customers. We want to customize with their drilling programs. We want to try to help them succeed because when they succeed, we succeed. And when there are issues on the site, we want to be able to help with those issues. We want to be able to get them to where they want to go. And we think that we have developed a tool that is a little bit, has some edges on it regarding the torque capabilities the weight on bit that you can put on it, our rate of penetration that you can deal with, and our variable speeds that we can provide. But we are also small enough that we can customize. And I think that may be the number one selling point for Jaguar, is our ability to get in with you and help you succeed and be with you from start to finish.
Experience for yourself the power, torque, and accomplishments of the Lightning series.